Mic test, mic test. Welcome guys. So kakagising ko lang. Don't mind my face, but welcome to a day in my life as an operational manager ng Hungry Abby. So, wala tayong mic na katulad nung sa iba. So, we're just going to use earphones for this vlog. Kasi gusto ko lang gayahin yung iba na nag-idea in my life. Tapos may mic sila na ganun. Pero wala pa tayo. So, ito muna. Day in my life as an operational manager ng Hungry Abby. So, before tayo mag-start, ako po ay mag-ayos muna. Maliligo and all. Tapos, saka tayo mag-start mag-vlog. Hi guys, I'm back. So, katapos ko lang maligo. As you can see, basa pa yung hair ko. Hindi ko siya mabablow dry today kasi nasira yung pang-blow dry ko ng hair. So, I'll let it air dry muna. And then, we're gonna put some sunscreen, eyebrow, basta eyebrow. And then, papayan na ng lashes and lip tint. And then, we're gonna go to Ate Hungry Abby or Ate Abby's place to get some mushroom chicharon to deliver because today, magde-deliver tayo ng mga stock sa mga cafe and sasamahan niyo ko dahil nag-vlog tayo for the day ng Ate in my life. So, una, pupunta muna tayo kay Ate Abby sa place ng Hungry Abby. And then, we're going to Pagsanghan or Kali Arcos place where they needed stock of the mushroom chicharon. So, mag-ayos muna ulit ako ng face lalo and then I'm gonna go back to you guys.